I know say many country people now go dey reason say this administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu na the worst administration so far for we country Nigeria history, sake of say the reforms wey the man just implement even from the first day wey he enter office as president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The reforms dem harsh no be small, the thing hold everybody for trouser. I know say many country people now don give up, say e no fit better again for inside this our country based on how things don be so, based on the nationwide protest sef and the hungry and every other stuff dem. The presidency dey go continue to dey tell country people say make dem do the calms, make dem get patience till last everywhere go stew for inside we country. Now if we say make we give Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey be our presido the benefit of doubt and make we calm down see the things and things wey he don do for inside we country, we say am say this man true he dey try im best, you understand. Very soon for inside we country Nigeria, all the motor wey dey use petrol they go park am one side because they don introduce wetin they call CNG buses, and the owner of Innoson don promise cheaper transport fare after im visit our presido. That is, they go soon launch this vehicle, and when they launch am, everywhere go marama for inside the country. And that one will come calm down the hardship wey the removal of fuel subsidy don plaster on top country people dem. Without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I give you the details of this informate. But sharply, I wan welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. Know say na we dey give legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like this, you are free to subscribe to this channel and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, na you go first get the updates and you go receive am sharp. So back to the koko of the hour, my good people. The tori be say Oga Innocent Chukwuma, he na the founder and chief executive officer of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing. He don dey assure country people say the compressed natural gas powered buses wey be CNG buses initiative of the federal government, e go bring down the cost of transportation for inside the country Nigeria. And my good people will know say if the cost in transportation reduce, if transportation money now come down, you go say food prices too, it go come down and everything now comes stew for inside our country. Oga Chukwuma wey be the Oga Patapata of Innoson Motors, in the yarn this one after a closed door meeting wey he get with the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This meeting now dey happen for inside the presidential villa for inside Abuja, wey be the capital of we nation, and the meeting happen on Thursday wey be the 8th day of August for inside this year 2024. Now for those of us wey no watch the nationwide broadcast by our presido, and still for those of us wey watch am, I wan still yarn on a legit. You know say during the broadcast, our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he talk about im promise wey he make, say he go distribute 1 million kits at a low price or at no cost at all to all those commercial vehicles wey dey transport people and goods. Those people dey currently dey consume 80% of the imported petrol and diesel. Our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey yarn, dey give the general public say upon say this our country Nigeria dey very much blessed. They are very rich with oil and gas resources. Our country Nigeria just dey rely only on oil-based petrol. They dey forget about the gas deposit to power the economy. So now why he bring up this CNG initiative? He say he go save our country Nigeria 2 trillion naira on a monthly levels wey we dey use to dey import petrol and diesel. So I no need to talk plenty on the benefit of these CNG buses. I no need to just emphasize plenty on am because all of us know very well say the genesis of the kasala wey we dey face for inside the country Nigeria na the removal of fuel subsidy. As they come remove fuel subsidy now, petrol come dey cost for inside the country, transportation e come dey cost too, and as transportation cost, goods come dey cost too, and as goods cost, services come dey cost too. Shey now you say am say na problem dey give birth to problem even for inside the country. Now the CEO of Innoson, he don promise say he go support our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu on this CNG initiative. Now speaking on the matter on Thursday, Oga Chukwuma wey be the CEO of Innoson, he come dey talk plenty on the benefits of the compressed natural gas powered buses, and in dey urge country people say make dem give the current administration more time, make dem get patience on top the matter. They don already lay the foundation, they don already plant the seed. Now we gats wait make the thing germinate. And my good people, you know say person wey dey cook beans and person wey dey cook indomie, na person wey dey cook indomie na go first chop, but na him go first hungry. The oga kpatakpata of Innoson no be oga Chukwuma, him come still dey promise say him company go soon introduce, as in him company go soon roll out the CNG buses. Him company go soon bring am out to the general public to key into the efforts of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He say him don discuss with our presido, and sooner or later the masses go begin dey see plenty of CNG buses for inside road. Now I know say many country people now they go still dey doubt this development. They fit see the reason say na audio, how many buses wey they wan introduce for inside we country wey go to calm down the hardship. But my good people, we could just give am benefit of doubt. The oga kpatakpata of the Innoson so wey be oga Chukwuma na dey talk so. The automobile entrepreneur, he don describe the presidential CNG initiative as the best idea for transportation for inside we country Nigeria. He say the government their initiative now on CNG na the best so far, because CNG now dey offer many benefits for we country. You no need to come dey buy fuel, understand? Now na gas now dey enter. We are migrating, we are developing. He say these benefits now na wetin he recognize before he start the factory to produce vehicle. He want make him vehicle dey run on CNG, wey be compressed natural gas. So he come begin to dey produce CNG kits even before the announcement. So today, everybody wey try CNG, wey be the compressed natural gas, they go find out say na the way forward for this our country, for this our nation Nigeria. And if we check am properly, my good people, we go see am say if these CNG buses wey be compressed natural gas dey finally enter streets of a nation, you go see am say line, all those long queues wey dey for petroleum station, all of them go just disappear because they don migrate, and it go be for the betterment of everybody. We no go come dey spend 3 hours or 4 hours say we wan buy fuel. Meanwhile, some motor drivers say they dey sleep for road based on say they wan acquire fuel. Normally all those kind levels, e no make sense. So last our president mind e dey for we country people. Na wetin go benefit country people, wetin go benefit everybody, this nation at large, na the man dey try do. So make we try give am time. You know say before gold become gold, e dey pass through fire. Rome wasn't built in a day, you get. But make we shine our eye, because these politicians them too, they cannot be fully trusted, you understand? So these my good people are the informate wey I say make I pass give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you go like to receive news like this, feel free to make it subscribe to the channel, and remember to put on the notification bell, so that as we bring the news they come, then you go first get the updates and you go receive them sharp. I will bring another informate for you, my good people. No go anywhere.